Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights and your recovery key handy. Once you confirm those, check which drive is encrypted. Open Settings Update and Security Device Encryption or Control Panel Bitlocker Drive Encryption to view status. Make sure Windows is up to date and the machine is plugged into power. Decrypting can take time. If you rely on a TPM or startup PIN, note those setups now so you can reverse them later. Once you see the encrypted drive, move to the Decrypt action. Begin by selecting the encrypted drive and choosing Turn off Bitlocker. This instructs Windows to decrypt the drive and remove encryption protection. Alternatively, open an elevated command prompt and run Manage BDE off C. For the OS drive, then check status with Manage BDE status. The system will show a % decrypted. Allow it to reach 100%. Make sure the PC stays on, connected to power, and avoid heavy disk activity, since interruptions can prolong or complicate decryption. Once decryption completes, confirm with Settings or Manage BDE status that the percentage encrypted is 0 and BitLocker is off. If the process stalls, reboot and rerun the command as admin, check Event Viewer for disk or BitLocker errors, and temporarily disable third-party disk utilities. If Windows reports missing keys or permission errors, restore the recovery key or use an account with admin privileges. Make sure to delete saved keys only after verifying the drive is fully decrypted and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.